This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion, and again, we try each day to make sure you learn something, you're entertained, we learn something, and we hope you enjoy it. And anytime you have suggestions for topics or sponsors, please feel free to text 773-766-5322. So we're going to go through 5 quick stories today. First, the markets point decidedly down this morning. The NASDAQ is tumbling 2%. The S&P is tumbling 1+%. Longer-term earnings concerns at Microsoft and Meta platforms are driving some of those challenges. And it's really not about their earnings are going fine. The revenues are going great. It's much more about them looking at ramping spending to compete in the AI world and taking some bite out of profits from that. So the first story is the markets are way down. Second story, Facebook points down 4% today or more now on news of increased investments. It's really amazing to me how Mark Zuckerberg has managed to ramp up and down his company's research and spending. Just a couple of years ago, people thought they were in front of their skis in terms of spending. Then he ramped it down in what he called the year of efficiency. Now he's back to trying to ramp it up. That's hurting the stock price. But the fact that he or the Bezoses of the world, now Andy Jassy, know how to ramp them up and down to bring them back to profitability is really remarkable. Third, Microsoft is also down today. Same concerns. Their business is going great, but greater concerns about sort of increased spending to keep them moving in the right direction. Fourth, Carvana is rocking and rolling. I don't know that many people that have bought a car on Carvana, but I think sort of like CarMax, people are starting to enjoy it because less stress, less problems, less everything, not even to negotiate with the dealer, not even to be there. And the problem, I guess, is you have to go into dealerships to drive the car you want to drive, and then you got to buy it on Carvana or someplace else. But fascinating to see how that's rolling. But they are way up. And finally, a fifth story we're following today is Spirit Airlines laying off 330 people. The discount airlines taking out on the chin, they're down 84% year to date. This is, again, a Lena Khan movement. She wouldn't allow them to merge with JetBlue. Now JetBlue and Spirit are both in trouble. So, again, those are 5 stories we're following today. The market's way down, Facebook down, Microsoft down, Carvana rocking and rolling, but then the discount airlines, JetBlue and Spirit, really taking it on the chin. We'll be back with you with 7 more stories that we're following. It's a busy news day, so bear with me. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you.